Hey everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we already covered all the main features of the desktop app, and today we've just released a brand new update. So in this video, we're going to explore every new feature in detail. We'll start with the completely new authentication flow for both the Ultra account and Sora, using our token extractor extension. This makes the entire process much faster and easier. First, simply install the extension into your Chrome profile. Then open the extension using the special URL we left under this video. Just click it and it'll open in a new tab. After that, log into your Google Labs Ultra account. Once you're logged in, come back to the extension and press Refresh Google Labs token. Then copy the token that appears. Now head into the desktop app, open the settings page, paste your Ultra token in, and save it. Just like that, your VO3 video generation is ready. Next, let's continue with Sora. Using the exact same extension, log into your Sora account on the Sora website. Once you're logged in, simply reload the page, and the extension will automatically capture your newest Sora token. One important reminder, this only works if you're in a country where Sora 2 is available. If you're from an unsupported region, you'll be redirected to Sora 1, and you won't be able to generate Sora 2 videos. Don't worry, later in this video, I'll show you how to generate Sora 2 videos, even from an unsupported country, using our new Proxy feature. Now let's move to Sora 2 video generation inside the app. Paste your Sora token into the app. Type your prompt and start generating your first video. You'll see it appear immediately in your profile page. In this example, I'm using a public username that refers to a specific character someone else already created and shared publicly. You can also create your own Sora character. We covered that fully in the previous video. If you want to generate multiple videos at once, just write multiple prompts in separate lines, and the app will generate all of them in parallel. Before moving on, let's quickly test our VO3 token as well. Enter a prompt, generate a video, and you'll see that it works perfectly. Next, let's talk about one of the new updates in the settings page, the external Gemini model selector. Sometimes one of the Gemini models can be overloaded, so now you can switch between different versions instantly and retry. These external Gemini models are used mainly in the video-to-video tab. To use this feature, you'll need a free Gemini API key from Google AI Studio. You can add multiple free keys, and the app includes an automatic fallback system that will automatically retry using another key if one runs into an error or rate limit. We already covered the short video cloning process in the previous video, so we'll skip that part here. Now let's move to one of the most important updates, the Proxy feature. This is designed specifically for users who live in countries where Sora 2 is not officially supported. Inside the settings page, you'll now see a proxy section. Each proxy includes an IP address. If you use a proxy from a supported country, you can generate Sora 2 videos even if your actual location is unsupported. Before using this proxy feature, make sure to turn on your VPN in Chrome. Choose an IP address from a country where Sora 2 is supported, and then create an account on the Sora website. To get free proxies, you can go to WebShare. They provide 10 free proxy IPs when you sign up. Now copy a proxy from a supported country, paste it into the app using the exact format shown, and then save it. And you're ready to test. Go back to Sora video generation and generate a new video. Alright, let's try playing the most recently generated video.
Remember the domino chain with Maya, right? Should we run it back? Maybe even bigger?
I'm already hearing ideas, but do they want it?
If the comments say yes, we're building tomorrow. I'm talking maze level crazy.
It works exactly like normal. Now let's test the proxy by ticking the Use Saved Proxy box and generating a video with a sample prompt. Alright, the Sora video generation worked using a proxy from a supported country. Now let's try switching to a proxy from an unsupported country like Poland. If we try to generate a video using this proxy, you'll see something interesting. The generation will immediately stop and show done, which means it failed and Sora 2 does not work under that IP. Now let's switch back to the supported proxy again. And when we generate a new video, everything works normally again. Alright, Next, let's explore the new image generation update. We've added 2 new uncensored models, Flux Dev and Z-Image. These are extremely powerful, especially when Nano Banana Pro fails or produces broken censored images. First, let's try Flux Dev. Just enter a prompt and generate. The output looks clean and high quality. Now let's test Z-Image. This model is very new, released only a few days ago, and it's already being compared to Flux Dev and Nano Banana Pro. In many cases, especially for realistic human images, portraits, faces, and landscapes, Z-Image performs better and produces results that are extremely real and completely uncensored. You can run the model locally if you have a powerful GPU, but we've already hosted it for you, so you just need to type your prompt inside the app. The result is incredibly realistic. Now let's clear the result and move on to the next feature. YouTube thumbnail generation. We trained a custom prompt model to generate thumbnails from a single sentence or even a single word. Just type your idea, generate multiple thumbnails at once, and choose your favorite one without needing to edit anything manually. Looks awesome, right? You can even clone an existing thumbnail. Upload a thumbnail. Enter a simple prompt, choose an external Gemini model for best quality, and generate. The result is fast, eye-catching, and incredibly efficient. Next, let's explore one of the most exciting updates, cloning long-form YouTube videos. To use this feature, you'll need to add a free Gemini API key. Then make sure to select Gemini 2.5 Flash or Flash Lite. Paste a long YouTube video link into the app and hit generate. We've already prepared a YouTube video for cloning. Sometimes Google servers overload and return errors. If that happens, simply switch between the different Gemini versions or retry a few times. Once the analysis completes, the app will generate a full set of image prompts based on your input video. After that, configure the concurrency settings and the delay between retries, because when errors happen, Gemini may temporarily lock you out. Then hit Generate All Assets. These images will become the reference frames for VO3 during text-to-video generation. Once image generation is complete, move on to scene generation. The app will automatically generate scene prompts and select which reference images should be used for each scene. Before generating all the videos, make sure to configure the generation mode correctly. Google has strict rate limits for video generation, so it's safer to set the retry delay to more than 30 seconds. Also make sure to enable auto-saving to a local folder so you don't lose any output. Now generate all scenes and take a short break. The process usually takes about 10 minutes. When everything is finished, you'll find all your videos saved in your local folder. Now it's time to merge all scenes into a single long video. Add a transition effect for smoother scene connections. Choose a file name and hit merge. Your final long-form video is now ready. Awesome. Next, let's take a look at the YouTube analysis feature. We've now integrated vidIQ Pro directly inside the app. You can instantly search for trending videos, filter by newest or highest views, and click on any result to view the original video. Finally, let's explore the text-to-speech and voice cloning features. Text-to-speech isn't new. We already support it through the API and in N8N automation workflows, but now it's integrated directly into the app. You can choose between Kokoro and OpenAI voice models, type your text, and generate audio instantly.
Hello guys.
For voice cloning, simply upload an audio sample between 10 and 60 seconds. Let's use my voice audio. Just open the dashboard page. Higgsfield API is enter the text you want the cloned voice to speak and hit generate. Within a moment, you'll get an audio output that mimics the exact tone and style of the original voice. It's extremely fast, realistic, and super convenient. Captain Sarah Chen stood before the medal ceremony, but her thoughts were with Private Rodriguez, who'd saved her squad. When called forward, she declined. The real hero died holding that bridge, she said, placing her medal on his family's table. This belongs to him. The room fell silent, then erupted in applause.